I just want to say what an incredible day this is for our community. The road to recovery, it begins with the roads, and our community's worked very hard with the help of a lot of great people that have been involved in the county supporting this recovery. So many people putting their love and energy into restoring and healing our community today.
It's more than just opening a road though. I think for a lot of people, this provides a lot of spiritual and emotional restoration. It's been a very, very long journey, but today we get to celebrate. Today marks a very significant milestone in our ability to recover and move forward as a community.
So I just wanted to say how important this is to reopen, because we've been waiting for like 6 years, and we deserve to go back to our Pohoiki and our home base down the road.
This is a culmination of a lot of work by a lot of people and a lot of partners for several years, and it takes a village, and I think that is also representative of the community today. Everyone has been involved. There's been lots and lots of public input, lots and lots of work on engineering and contracting, and we're just really excited that today is finally here and we're off and running.
Breaking grounds and moving forward on restoring Highway 137 gives us a renewed sense of hope that we are well on our way to recovery.
I just want to say, with my ancestors, my children, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, it's going to be for all of us in the future.
This is just one piece of the larger recovery puzzle. We still have the restoration of Pohoiki, the installation of water lines, and then all of the work to support building up our community so that we can thrive once again.